Good morning, viewers all over the world. You all already know my name, Eze-Ana. Yes, I'm here today to react to trending video of what I call her adolescent because she's not up to 18 years, according to the story. But something tragic happened. We heard the story that he has, she has a problem with her boyfriend, and to revenge for what she perceived, maybe she's not happy. She decided to poison pepper soup she bought for her boyfriend. And unfortunately, her boyfriend had other guests that visited him and he decided to share the pepper soup with all of them. And we heard that all the people that ate that pepper soup, including the boyfriend, passed on. The moral lesson. How can you justify someone that is still below 18 in Nigerian constitution is still considered as a minor? Is already involved in the things of the heart. And to the extent of having this bitter soul, to the extent of killing somebody. That's to show you some of the things I have been telling you that in this world, killing people or killing someone is no longer the way it should be. People found joy in taking somebody's life, what you cannot create. Where are we heading to? Parents should sit up, create time for moral lesson, moral advice to your children. Because if you refuse to do so, they will bring shame. I can tell you, parents have really failed in their duties. But if you are doing something with anybody, avoid people with bitter souls. They can do and do. Watch this so that you will draw a lesson from what just happened in this video you're about to watch.
Oh, Emma, they write their names. Emma, we talk before you enter, we go to sleep. Emma, we talk before you. Emma, we talk before you enter, we go to sleep.